Hey everyone, it is Mudra Monday, and we haven't done one of these in a while. Today's mudra is the Tejas Mudra, which helps with inner light, inner brilliance, and focus. It also assists with the immune system and also with directing the breath to the heart. Just a caution if you have a heart condition or hypertension, just to be cautious when doing this mudra. So this is how we do it. We are going to put our hands together like this, thumbs together like that, and then the index fingers come together and kind of do this sort of situation here. And the other fingers kind of splay out like that. So, and then we hold it at the heart center. So do that. And get into a comfortable position just for a few minutes. And close your eyes and take a deep breath. And sigh it out. Releasing any tension with every breath, every inhale and every exhale. Now let's draw our attention to the heart center, to the center of our chest, to the spiritual heart. And just allow that breath to flow through that mudra. And envision the light in your heart growing and expanding, becoming more vibrant, more luminescent, just allowing that heart center to open up. Breaking down any walls or any barriers that you may have created to protect yourself. You are safe. Just allow that breath and that mudra to continue to open up and expand that heart center. And just feeling that expansion. Feeling it move and expand throughout your body and all around you. And continue to breathe, focusing on this expansion, focusing on the breath, focusing on the flow of the breath. You are a radiant being, a brilliant being, a being of love and of light. Connect with your divine self, with your divine essence. As you continue to expand your heart center, remember you are loved and you are love. Now you can stay here as long as you like. You Continuing to breathe, continuing to expand that heart center. And whenever you are ready, you can come out of this mini meditation. Thank you for being here. Namaste.